Hi everybody, welcome back. Look at these colorful dragonflies. Let's make it. We are going to color the corn husk. Now we are going to twist a blue pipe cleaner. We are making the body of the dragonfly and the wings using the corn husk, and look, it is ready. We are also combining a red color of pipe cleaner, and look, it is ready. Give the wing shape like this piece, googly eyes, and look, it is ready. Look at this cute little mini aquarium. Let's make it. We are going to mix these three colored clays together and spread it, and look, it is looking like a beautiful water. Then take a transparent sheet and we are going to draw beautiful grasses on it. Cut these different water animals like crab and colorful fishes, starfish, and paste all of them like this. We are also drawing different colorful grass, and then we are going to put it over it and add more details like beautiful flowers and grasses which we are making using clay. And look, it is ready, and how pretty this is looking. Thank you so much for watching this video.